Hey there, creative minds and aspiring content creators. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of art, design, and everything in between. If you're new here, consider subscribing and joining our community of passionate individuals on a journey of artistic exploration. In today's exciting video, we're going to uncover the hidden gems of Adobe Illustrator, showcasing its powerful features, like live corners, the Shaper tool, and the Shape Builder tool. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, these tools will surely level up your design game. So grab your creativity cap and let's embark on this artistic adventure together. Live corners, unleashing creative flexibility in Adobe Illustrator. If you're an Adobe Illustrator enthusiast or a design aficionado, you're in for a treat today as we dive into the fascinating world of live corners. This remarkable feature is a game changer when it comes to manipulating the corners of paths in your artwork. Whether you're aiming for sleek and modern designs or want to infuse some playful curves into your illustrations, Live Corners gives you the power to effortlessly tweak and transform corner anchor points. With just a few clicks, you can turn harsh angles into elegant curves and explore three distinct corner types: round, inverted round, or chamfer. The real magic happens when you lay your hands on the Live Corners widget, which appears next to selected corner points. Dragging this widget with the Direct Selection tool is a breeze, allowing you to convert a corner into a smooth and captivating round shape. As you hover over the Live Corners widget, watch in amazement as your corner instantly transforms into the selected roundness, providing real-time feedback for a truly intuitive design experience. Live Corners is a feature in Adobe Illustrator that allows you to manipulate the corners of paths in your artwork. You can select one or more corner anchor points and use the Live Corners widget to change the shape of the corner into one of three available corner types: round, inverted round, or chamfer. To access the Live Corners widget, you need to select the Direct Selection tool and have a path selection containing corner points. The widget appears next to each corner point when selected. Dragging the Live Corners widget with the Direct Selection tool is the easiest way to convert a corner into a round corner. When you hover the mouse over a Live Corners widget, the corresponding round corner is highlighted. If you don't want to see the Live Corners widget when using the Direct Selection tool, you can turn it off from the View Hide Corner widget option. You can also use the Corners dialog to manipulate corner settings. To access the dialog, you can double-click the Live Corners widget or select the corner and click the Corners link in the Control panel or Properties panel. In the Corners dialog, you can set the corner style, the radius of the corner, and the type of rounding. To use the Live Corners widget, you can either drag it, click the Corners link in the Control panel or Properties panel, and set the options available, or double-click the Live Corners widget and modify the options in the Corners dialog. To change the corner style, you can drag the Live Corners widget while clicking the up or down arrow keys, use the Corners pop-up panel in the Control panel or Properties panel, or use the Corners dialog. Keep in mind that you can use the Live Corners feature multiple times on a corner and modify the radius or the corner style. However, if the roundness is lost due to manipulating an associated anchor point, the Live Corners widget will no longer appear for that corner. Also, a corner cannot be rounded beyond certain limits, indicated by a red path. To enhance the live appearance of objects, you can enable the real-time drawing and editing feature in Adobe Illustrator. Revolutionize your design process with the Shaper tool and Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. These two powerful features are the secret weapons for creating intricate shapes and merging elements effortlessly. Whether you're a digital artist, graphic designer, or simply love crafting visually stunning artwork, These intuitive tools are about to become your new best friends. Let's dive in and explore the possibilities of the Shaper tool and Shape Builder tool in this exciting Illustrator adventure. Shaper tool. The Shaper tool allows you to create complex designs by drawing, stacking, and combining shapes together. It works with natural gestures, so you can use a mouse or touch device to draw polygons, rectangles, circles, ellipses, triangles, and other polygons. The shapes you draw are converted into crisp geometric shapes, and they remain fully editable as live shapes. To use the Shaper tool for drawing shapes. In Illustrator, select the Shaper tool from the toolbox, shortcut, Shift+N. Draw a shape in the document using freehand gestures. The shape you draw will be converted into a crisp vector shape, which you can further edit. To use the Shaper tool for creating shapes from overlapping shapes. Select a few overlapping shapes in your document or use a tool to draw overlapping shapes. Make sure the Shaper tool, Shift+N, is selected. Using your mouse or finger on a touch device, scribble on an area that you would like to merge, delete, or punch out. The Shaper tool will perform the following actions based on your scribble. If the scribble is within one shape, the area is punched out. If the scribble is across intersecting areas of two or more shapes, the intersecting areas are punched out. If the scribble originates from the shape in the front, it either punches out or merges the shapes based on the overlapping areas. If the scribble originates from the shape in the back, it merges the shapes based on the overlapping areas. Shape Builder tool. The Shape Builder tool is another interactive tool in Illustrator that allows you to create complex shapes by merging and erasing simpler shapes. It works on both simple and compound paths. To use the Shape Builder tool, select the Shape Builder tool from the Tools panel, shortcut, Shift+M. You can customize various options in the Shape Builder tool options dialog box, including gap detection, coloring source, and highlighting. With the tool selected, click on edges and regions of selected art to merge them and create new shapes. You can switch to erase mode by pressing Alt, Windows, or Option, Mac, to delete unwanted edges or regions. The Shape Builder tool intuitively highlights edges and regions, making it easy to see which areas can be merged. You can set a gap length to help Illustrator detect gaps for merging, and you can choose to color objects using color swatches or colors from existing artwork. Both the Shaper tool and Shape Builder tool offer efficient ways to create and modify shapes in Adobe Illustrator, making it easier to design complex graphics and illustrations. Congratulations, you've now mastered the incredible tools of Adobe Illustrator. With the Live Corners, Shaper tool, and Shape Builder tool at your disposal, your creativity knows no bounds. Remember to experiment, play, and let your imagination run wild as you craft unique designs that leave a lasting impression. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow artists and designers. For more exciting tutorials and creative content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for notifications. Thanks for joining us on this artistic journey at ITMaster, and until next time, keep creating and pushing the boundaries of your creativity. Happy designing!